É isso mesmo. Hoje, especialmente quando formos para a grande rotatória, nós vamos aprender a fazer as mudanças de faixa. Porque antes disso, a gente aprendeu a rotatória pequena, que era uma mini rotatória. Depois a gente foi para a rotatória de tamanho médio, onde tivemos o problema com os ajudantes e bloqueadores. E hoje a gente vai para as mudanças de faixa. Tudo bem?
Tudo bem. Estou feliz.
All right. I'm happy then. Let's get started with the lesson, and we'll take it step by step from there.
Fantastic. Let's make it a move and go to the roundabouts, and I will guide you as it comes along.
Ok.
Hello everyone, my name is Zia Ahmed and I'm a driving instructor and instructor trainer of Ahmed Driving School. Today I'm going to be record a very special lessons with my students called Lina. She's a Portuguese and she has a difficult of speaking English. So I don't speak in Portuguese and she doesn't have a fluent English. So when I try to go and explain things, it doesn't go with our plan. And most of the time I do see it's a fail. So this is why today we're going to introduce a new way of communications with someone who doesn't speak in English. We have a plan to employ a AI employee and see how the technology can improve via communications, and then it's just for anyone and everyone who think they cannot do the driving lessons unless the English is perfect. And we now come across with the driving instructors who don't have to ignore those people who's not fluent with them in English. So basically this AI app is going to sit in the middle of a bridge between the learner and the instructor, whose common language is not English, and then none of them is fluent with it. So this is why I would like to invite you guys to come to the lessons, see what we do, how we do things, and then if you guys think it's going to help you or anyone else with any languages, please do share it. That's going to be beneficial to other people, which can be beneficial to them. If you think this video is going to be helping you, please do subscribe and then hit the bell icon so you can get our future updates. And if you think that's going to help other people who doesn't have to be a Portuguese with any languages, just the idea you want to share with them, please do share the video so that way they've got an idea of actually it's possible or there's options to do so. So guys, see you in the lesson. Let the show begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the lessons again, and this time we have our student Lina. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So tell me what we're going to do today lesson.
Então, me diga, o que a gente vai fazer na aula de hoje?
Hoje nós vamos fazer um pouco de rotatórias e vamos fazer coisas novas, com as rotatórias grandes, e vamos andar nas ruas grandes também.
And we are going to do new things as well, the big roundabouts, and we will also drive on the main streets.
Yes, that's right. Today, especially when we go for the big roundabout, we're going to learn how to do the lane changes, because before that we learned the small roundabout, which is a mini roundabout. We had a deadlock. Then we got the medium-sized roundabout where we have the problem with the helpers and blockers, and today we're going for the lane changes. Is that okay?
Sim, é isso mesmo. Hoje, especialmente quando formos para a grande rotatória, nós vamos aprender a fazer as mudanças de faixa. Porque antes disso, a gente aprendeu a rotatória pequena, que era uma mini rotatória. Depois a gente foi para a rotatória de tamanho médio, onde tivemos o problema com os ajudantes e bloqueadores. E hoje a gente vai para as mudanças de faixa. Tudo bem?
Tudo bem. Estou feliz.
All right. I'm happy then. Let's get started with the lesson, and we'll take it step by step from there.
Fantastic. Let's make it a move and go to the roundabouts, and I will guide you as it comes along.
Ok.
Fantástico! Vamos nos movimentar e ir até as rotatórias, e eu vou te guiar conforme for acontecendo.
Good. At the traffic light, turn right, please.
Ok.
Hold on. It's a roadworks. The road is blocked, so you have to continue going straight for now.
Ok.
How are you feeling today?
Como você está se sentindo hoje?
Estou me sentindo bem e feliz.
I'm feeling well and happy.
Great. Take a next road on the right, please.
Pegue a próxima estrada à direita, por favor.
No, right. Behind the blue car. Go behind the blue car, halfway in, halfway out.
Atrás do carro azul, na metade do caminho.
Watch it, watch the curb, watch the curb. Okay, tiny bit more accelerator. Go.
Cuidado com o carro. Cuidado com o
Just
carro.
come back quick. There we go. Good.
Vamos lá.
Okay,
Voltam.
stop.
Ok. Pare.
Don't panic,
Pare.
relax. Okay, go start.
Não entre em pânico. Relaxa. Ok. Pode seguir.
Do you think it's talking too much, or I'm only going to explain when I need to? I'm going to turn the translator off.
Okay.
We're only going to use it when I explain things.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise talking too much.
Okay.
Okay? At the end of the road, turn left, please.
Okay.
You understand this much, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yes.
So we're only going to use when it's complex, then we explain, yeah? No, left.
After the right.
That's it. So left and right, yeah? Keep yourself calm. We'll do a great lesson. Okay, like hoo, everything will have a problem. Okay,
Yes.
relax, let it
Okay.
sink in. I know you can do better. Okay. At the end of the road, turn left and left again. Where's the road?
Turn left.
No, where's the road? Can you see it?
Yes.
It was too far.
Yeah.
Okay, come closer and now indicate. That's it.
Yes.
At the end, take a left again. That's it. Good. Show me the good turning. That's better. When can we go? No, don't go. Just
No,
tell me when
yeah.
can we go?
Yes.
Go. That's it. At the next roundabout, take a right, second exit.
Okay.
What's missing? Is it a good thing? Lina, giving this too late is a good thing?
And
Yeah? Give it on time.
Okay.
Okay, so what we'll do now, we're just going to go some simple turning, left and straight, left and get back to where you are. Okay,
Okay.
and then we'll start doing the big thing. Okay, take a right, second exit. Mirror check first. Center mirror, right and door mirror.
Okay.
Then indicator. Okay. Stay close by the roundabout. Don't go too far this way and that way. Middle.
Too fast.
No. Okay. Gonna stop there by the tree. No,
Okay.
not now. By the tree.
Okay.
Go forward, yeah? And now stop. Watch the curb. Come more left. Okay, stop now. Secure the car. At this last roundabout, yeah, you've come round and you've gone too much to the left to the curb and then come to the main road. What I want into the middle.
Nesta última rotatória, sim. Se você sair e for muito para a esquerda, para a guia, depois volta para a via principal. O que eu quero é no meio.
Do you think is this a problem? And if it's or it's not a problem, what do you think?
Você acha que isso é um problema? Ou se não for um problema, o que você acha?
É um problema que pode vir um carro atrás e eu cometer algum acidente.
It is a problem, because a car could come from behind, and I might have an accident.
Car behind is not a problem. Who else is the problem?
O carro de trás não é o problema. Quem mais é o problema?
Então seria o problema. Ou o carro que vai entrar na rotatória.
So, it would be me as the problem, or the car that is going to enter the roundabout.
Yes, the cars is entering the roundabout, they're thinking you're going straight and you're not going in front of them anymore because you are late with your indicators as well.
Sim, o carro está entrando na rotatória, eles acham que você vai em linha reta e você não está na frente deles mais, porque você está atrasado com os indicadores também.
So these two things, your late indicator and position, continue going straight and then come back in. Sudden movement will combine together to give the wrong impression for the people thinking you're not going to the right.
Então, essas duas coisas, seu atraso no indicador e a posição, continuar em frente e depois voltar, o movimento repentino, vão se combinar e dar a impressão errada para as pessoas, pensando que você não vai entrar na rotatória.
So, do the mirror check and indicator early before you reach the roundabout. So the people who's waiting in front of you, they can see you want to go to the right. And second, while you're in the roundabout, stay in the middle and then go around the circle because it's a one-lane roundabout, not two lanes. So if it's one lane, don't make it two. If it's two, don't make it one by going to the middle again.
Faça a verificação do espelho e o indicador cedo antes de chegar na rotatória, para que as pessoas que estão esperando na sua frente possam ver que você quer ir para a direita. E segundo, enquanto você está na rotatória, mantenha-se no meio e vá contornando o círculo, porque é uma rotatória de uma faixa, não de duas faixas. Então, se for uma faixa, não faça duas. Se for duas, não transforme em uma, indo para o meio.
Okay.
So now we're going to go for doing some simple left and straight turn turning, very well, focusing your mirror and signal to get them better, and then we're going to start with the double lane roundabout.
Então, agora a gente vai fazer algumas curvas simples para a esquerda e em linha reta, bem focado no espelho e no sinal para melhorar, e aí a gente vai começar com a dupla mudança de faixa.
Okay? Let's go. No, accelerator.
Yeah.
In this roundabout, if I do not send anything, where should we be going?
Nesta rotatória, se eu não indicar nada, para onde a gente deve ir?
A gente vai sempre reto.
We should always go straight.
Thank you.